Hey everyone, we're here in my backyard and I've just got a package in the mail from Deity that I'm excited to open. I figured I'd bring you along to check it out. So let's get in there. Now they sent word that they had something new they wanted to show us, and I had just built up my new Sentinel, so I asked for some other cockpit bits, but let's check it all out. Alright, now first off I see some Super Cush grips. Doug just talked about these in his grip video, and I have yet to actually feel them, but he raved about how cushy they are, and that is indeed the case. We'll get these installed on my bike here in a second. This is the Deity Race Point handlebar. It's sort of their downhill enduro bar, a little bit wider. It's an alloy bar. I like alloy bars a little better than carbon, just for that peace of mind. And I like a high rise bar, so I got the 38 mil rise, which you can see the big rise. 9 degrees back, 5 degrees up sweep. Gonna get these installed via a Copperhead stem. I don't know if you guys have seen this stem before, but it's pretty slick looking. Got all these nice machined chamfered edges throughout. 35 mil length and clamp. We'll get that installed here. Got a hat from Deity.
Ooh.
I don't actually wear hats, so I'll be passing this along to probably Doug or someone.
Well, no, put it on.
Someone at the shop.
Let's see it.
Oh boy. See, this is why I can't wear them. Too much head. Too much hair.
I don't know, pretty stylish, Dan. I think you're a hat guy.
You think I'm a hat guy?
I think you're a hat guy.
Right. I'm also a bracelet guy, evidently. We got a lot of these Deity Ride More bracelets. And I think that brings us to our most exciting piece here, which is the new Deity DEFTRAP that you guys have probably seen on Pink Bike this morning. So let's take a look. So this is a nylon fiber composite that's really strong. It also skips over rocks and stuff really well. They've brought sort of like a industry leading 10 pins to this pedal, which is more than a lot of the other composite pedals that you'll find. So very similar profile and size to the TMAC. Actually just about the same width, a little bit taller because of the plastic construction, but not much. It does have a concave profile. It's about 1.5 mil drop from the outside to the inside, so it does cup your foot in that way that we like. And yeah, here we go. It's called the DEFTRAP pedal. It's gonna run you about 50 bucks, and it's actually about 20 grams lighter than the TMAC pedal. They use the same bearings and bushings that they use on all their pedals, so you know that the durability is up. You can replace it, as I have yet to do on my TMAC. But now I guess I don't need to, because I get to run these. It does have replaceable pins, 8 of them, 2 built-in pins, and yeah, I think that about does it. Let's get this stuff installed on my bike. Alright, here it is. We got the DEFTRAP pedals installed, the full Deity cockpit. I'm looking forward to trying this stuff out, especially these pedals. I've also got a cool Industry 9 system wheel set that Doug and Joey are working on, so stay tuned for that video, and then I'll get out and do a bike check and tell you guys about my custom build Transition Sentinel. We'll see you guys soon.